Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Next, I am going to explain chapter area and perimeter. It is very interesting, this chapter. Okay, first, before going to start that, actually, you have to know what is the definitions of area and perimeter. Actually, what is meaning of area? Okay, just I will give the definitions once. Look at here. See, area, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. Amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. See, I took here a square. See, inside space, what it is there inside space, that inside space we can call area. Okay, if you take any figure, not only square, any figure, if you take a rectangle, this inside space is called area of that figure. Okay, now coming to perimeter, the total length of the boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter. Okay, the total length of the boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter. See here, I took here square. This length, total length of the boundaries, only boundaries length we can consider. Okay, this A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. This total length of the boundary of the closed figure is called a perimeter. See, total length of the given figure, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. We should add the total. Total in the sense we should add only, no? So perimeter of that square, you can write sum of four sides. So you can get easily total length of that square. Now important formulas I am giving. Why? Because based on these formulas we should do the solutions in this chapter. Okay, see, first one, area of square. Area of square formula is side into side. Why? Because if you take only this side and this side, if you multiply, you will get total area of this figure. Okay, so side into side, s into s we can write. Okay, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Just you can write length into breadth. If you multiply, you will get area of a rectangle. Next, perimeter of square, 4 into side. See, instead of writing individual sides sum, just we should take how many times we are taking four sides now, 4 into side we can write directly. Okay, otherwise if you don't know this formula, you can do like this, sum of all sides. Okay, next, perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B. See, instead of writing all four sides, 2 times this 2 times is there, this side 2 times is there, so 2 into L plus B we should write. Okay, next, one more formula, it is given in the textbook itself only, so that I am giving for you. The area of parallelogram is equal to the product of its base and corresponding height. So A is equal to BH. B means base, H means height. This is a parallelogram. This is the height of a parallelogram. This is the base of parallelogram. So area of this parallelogram will gives base into height. So here I am taking area of parallelogram, base into height. So we can write B into H. Okay. Now coming to the exercise solutions. See, first exercise. See here, first question. Complete the table given below. See, diagram is given, rectangle, that shape is rectangle. Area of rectangle, what I told you, L into B, length into breadth. So length into breadth. Then what is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B, no, for a rectangle. Next, square. Square area I said already, side into side. Okay, perimeter 4 into A. 4 A means side. Here A means side. So here area based on this measurement is given means we can write A into A square. Okay, if you means that value not given, we should write side into side. If any value given, we should take that value only. Okay, next second question. See here, the measurements of some squares are given in the table below. However, they are incomplete. Find the missing information. See, side of a square is given, area already given. We should find out the perimeter of a square. Okay, what I told you, perimeter of a square formula, 4 into side. So side already given 15. So 4 into 15 we should do. So what you will get answer? If you don't know directly, you can multiply simply. 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 60 centimeters. Okay, very simple. Next, here side of a square not given, area also not given, perimeter is given. How we can find area and side of a square? From perimeter we can find the side of a square first. Here perimeter of a square should write. Why? Because that given shape is square. So we should take perimeter of square is equals to, already that is given 88 centimeters. But what is the formula perimeter of square? 4 into side, which is equal to 88 centimeters. So based on this we can find out the side of a square. So take the transpose of multiplication, division. So 4 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 22 centimeter. Side of a square how much? 22 centimeters. Now we can write here 22 centimeters. Now if you know the side, then we can find the area. No, area of square, side into side means 22 into 22. You can multiply. Here centimeter into centimeter also we should write. Don't forget the units. Area we can measure in square centimeter or square meters. Now you can multiply. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4, 4 8 4, 484 centimeter square or square centimeter. We can write as square centimeter. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.